Okay, today we're going to be opening some Disney Lorcana. I'm still quite new to Lorcana. I've never played it. I've opened a box before in the past. So let's have a look at Rise of the Floodborn. Ooh, how hard are these to open? I can't remember. How much of an arse will I make of myself? Okay. It's Winnie the Pooh, the Honey Wizard. Minnie Mouse, zipping around. Hypnotize. The Knock. War Spirit. I don't know what you're from. Snow White, lost in the forest. Oh, is that Benja, Guardian of the Dragon Gem? Judy Hopps, Optimistic Officer. Card Soldiers, full deck. Li Shang, Archery Instructor. Beast, Selfless Protector. Yzma, Scary Beyond All Reason. Emperor's New Groove is phenomenal. Ah, we got a sardine can? Well, that's what I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna assume that's not great. On to the next one. Come on. Come on. Sorry, I need to open them on camera. And upside down. Felicia. Always hungry. Queen of Hearts. Quick-tempered. James. Role model. Dora. Accomplished seamstress. Oh, is that a croquet mallet? Excuse me, sir. Why are you upside down? What has happened? What has happened here? Benja. You wouldn't get that with Magic the Gathering. Fairy Godmother. Here to help. Zero to Hero. The Most Diabolical Scheme. Little John. Lady Theramine. Excellent. Oh, and Peter Pan Shadow. That's quite a nice little still. Okay. I got excited because I think Lady Theramine's a good value card. But I think she needs to be enchanted, which I think is either shiny or it's an alternate. It's an alternate art. It's an alternate art. They should standardize names across cards, you know. I don't know. Ugh. Queen of Hearts. Duke Weaselton. Small time crook. Happy, good natured. I'm stuck. Tiger. Prince Naveen. Fang Crossbow. Nana. Pinocchio. Neo. Orphan Thief. Peter Pan Shadow. Not shiny. Cheshire Cat. Or shiny. Okay. I'm gonna assume we didn't do too well there. But, you know. Just keep a smile on her face, yeah? The Cheshire Cat. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Bye.